Hey guys, welcome back. This is 𝗖𝗶𝗶𝗍𝗀𝗏 with another tutorial on Kerio Control UTM configuration series. In this video, I will cover the account and monitoring and their configuration menu. Let's start. First of all, open a web browser. Log into the Kerio Control administration panel. Under the configuration menu, navigate to account and monitoring. In the account and monitoring, the first tab is data gathering. The option gather internet usage statistic is checked. If you want to gather the internet usage statistic, this option needs to be checked. Under statistic, you have to check gather users activity records, which will record all the activity of clients. You have an option to automatically delete the user's statistic. Here the default value is 24 months. The user's statistic will be deleted after 24 months. If you want to reduce it, just input the numbers and it will be calculated by months. You can also gather the statistic of a specific group. To select a specific group, click on the select button, click on the add button, and select your desired group. Here I have two groups. One is IT department and the other one is clients. I want the statistic for the clients group. Select the group, click the OK button and press the OK button again. The statistic for clients group will be automatically gathered and shown for you. To delete all the statistics data, click on the delete all button. It will confirm your selection that do you want to delete all statistics data now or not. If you want to delete it, click the yes button. A pop-up message will be shown to you that all data have been successfully removed. For the statistic, the first day of the week is chosen as Monday. I will change it to Saturday, and day 1 of the month is selected as first day of the month, where the data will be automatically renewed if you have a schedule for the weekly and monthly quota. In the accounting exceptions, you can exclude a specific type of traffics. The first option, account traffic only in the given time interval. What basically it does is that if you are using a quota system and you have defined a specific amount of quota for specific users, for example, in an organization which I work, they have specified, for example, 5 GB of data for weekly for a client, and their statistic will be counted only in official hours. So what this option basically does is that if the user sits beyond the official hours, their usage will be still counted. But if I change this option to official hours, their traffic will be only gathered and it will be deducted from their weekly quota only during official hours. If they sit in office and use internet beyond official hours, the quota will not be counted. You have another option to exclude the website statistic for specific URLs. All you have to do is first you have to define a URL group and then you can select it from here. For example, I want to exclude all the traffic which belongs to Java updates. And all the traffic, whether it's coming in or going out to Java websites, it will be automatically excluded from the statistics. The third option is to exclude traffic from specific IP addresses. All you have to do in this option is first you have to create an IP group and assign specific addresses in there, and then select the specific IP address in here. First, let's create a IP address group and then I will exclude the traffic of those IP addresses. I have created an IP address group for social media accounts, and now I want to exclude all the traffic which belongs to those social media. From the drop down, select your IP address group. I have named it social media. Now all the statistic which belongs to those specific websites will be excluded. You have an option to exclude a specific user's statistic. All you have to do is click the select button. Now click on the add button, select your user, and click on the OK button. Here you can see that I have excluded all the statistic for the user admin. Now the admin user can use internet and it will not be counted in its monthly or weekly quota. The next menu is access to statistics. Using this menu, you can give access right for a specific users to access the statistics. Under setting, you can change the username format, and from here you can change the language of the report. If you want to give access for a specific user so that he or she can access the statistics of all users, click on the add button, and from here you can select the user, or you can type his or her email address and the report will be sent to his or her email address. If the user does not have an email and he or she has a Kerio user, click on the user and select it. For example, I have selected the user 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 so that he can access the statistics. Under data, you can specify whether 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 can access all the data or statistics of a specific user or group. If you want him to access the statistics of a specific user or group, click on the users and group and select the user or group that 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 should be able to see the statistic. For example, I want the statistic of my clients so that 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 could see it. You have another option to send regular email reports to 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, whether you want daily, weekly or monthly reports to be sent to his email address. If you have defined email address in here, click the OK button. Now 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 can access the client's statistic report and email will be sent on daily basis to him. There is a caution on the daily email reports because I have not specified email for 𝗖𝗶𝗹𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. Under user access, you can specify whether users can view their own online statistics or to receive email reports on daily basis, on weekly basis or monthly basis. I want my clients to access their reports on daily, weekly and monthly basis. And that's all for today. I will catch you soon with another video. Till then, have a nice time.